Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all the people from A.S.S Science Foundation. So today we are here to discuss a very special story of one of our student, MALLIKA VASHISHT. She have qualified the final entrance as well as interview for DTU, Delhi Technical University, previously known as Delhi College of Engineering, and the Department of Environmental Science and Engineering. The special thing is that she has done this task in less than 5 months. She was yet to appear for the May exam, which is supposed to happen soon in future. But still, under the able guidance of experienced team of A.S.S Science Foundation, she was able to qualify the final round of interview as well as the entrance at DTU, Department of Environmental Science and Engineering. We wish her a very good luck for future for regarding her PhD. Thank you.